What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. Today, yes, I am standing in my bathroom and I'm going to be showing you guys some tips and tricks of how to keep your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. And it all starts with the toilet. And after that, I will show you guys a trick with some baby oil that will also help keep your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. So be sure to watch all the way to the end. First things first, you're going to want to put on your gloves because you definitely don't want to be touching all the nasty germs and bacteria that are on your toilet. A lot of the odors that you may smell in your bathroom could be coming from your toilet. It could be trapped urine that has not been cleaned up. So first I'm just taking this off the back of my toilet, and then we're going to move down here so we can get into the nitty gritty. Instead of having to use a toothbrush or a Q-tip, you can actually easily take your toilet seat off. This is gross. I know it's so nasty, but I'm keeping it real with you guys. So all you do is pop these open and you will see these screws right here. Just take a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips and it will unscrew. And underneath right here is a screw that is holding it. Untighten the knob all the way until it comes off. And then you will be able to easily lift your toilet seat off. And this will help you really deep clean your toilet and take care of those nasty odors. See, perfect. You have easy access and you can set the toilet seat in your tub to be able to give it a good clean. So what you're going to want to do is grab an all-purpose cleaner. This is the one I'm choosing to use. You can use whatever you like. I know some of y'all like bleach out there and like to just bleach your whole bathroom. But start from the top. And you want to spray all the way down, all the way over. Be sure to spray the bottom of the toilet on the floor. You really want to get in there because a lot of the urine stains can be stuck on the floor around the toilet. Then you want to take some toilet bowl cleaner and you want to put it directly under the rim and go around so you can really get all of that stuff from up under there. This is my favorite toilet bowl cleaner because I love that minty smell. And then go ahead and go over to your toilet seat and also spray it with your cleaner or whatever it is that you want to clean it with. So I'm just generously spraying it and I'm going to let it sit and soak. Then you want to take your paper towels and basically start wiping off in the same motion that you were spraying. You probably don't want to use a microfiber cloth for this. You want to just be able to toss away whatever it is that you're using so you don't have that bacteria. So I'm just giving it a good wipe down all around on the floor, on the base. I know this part is real nasty, but that's going to help stop a lot of the odors that you could be getting coming from your bathroom. This is a good way to clean your toilet as well, especially if you have the loose, wobbly toilet seat. All you have to do is just make sure that you really tighten it when you put it back on, and then you won't have that issue anymore. So of course you don't have to do this every time you clean your toilet. This is just more of a good one-time cleaning type of thing, or maybe you got some guests coming over and you want to make sure your bathroom smells extra fresh. Then go ahead and do this method. Otherwise, just stick to the regular wiping down and cleaning inside the toilet bowl. After you've wiped your toilet down, then you can head to the bathtub where your toilet seat is and just give it a good clean. I am wiping it off, and then I'm going to be grabbing a brush so that I am able to clean the in parts of where the screws are at. Once you're done cleaning it, then you can just grab some more paper towels and dry it off like so. Once you're done drying it off, then go ahead and put it back on, put the screws in, and make sure you tighten it really well. And then snap these back down, and there you have it. Your toilet is going to be fresh and clean. Now you can clean the inside of the bowl really well. Just make sure that you are scrubbing underneath the rim. Just to help the toilet smell even more fresh, especially when you lift the seat, I'm going to go ahead and add this Lysol toilet air freshener and go ahead and clip it on. I love this one. It's a brand new scent. It's called Mango and Hibiscus. It smells really good. Okay, and now for the trick that you all came here for, what to do with this baby oil. Well, to keep your bathroom also smelling fresh when you have a guest coming over, you can just take a little bit of baby oil and pour it inside. Not as much as I did quite a bit. This is hard for me to film and do this at the same time. But like I said, you just want to add a little bit inside the roll. The baby oil is nice because it's not going to eat through the cardboard. I know a lot of people like to use essential oils, but sometimes that can go through the cardboard and get on your toilet paper. And then you know what happens next. You're wiping yourself with whatever that essential oil is, and that might not be good. But we all know that the baby oil is natural. So whenever you pull the toilet paper, you're going to get a whiff of that baby oil scent. This will last about a day, so you could do it before you have guests coming over. That is all that I have for you guys in this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out. And of course, subscribe if you're new to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.